Storing and saving water. In this module, you will learn how to store and save water.
Importance of water. Water is very important and precious, so it should be used wisely. To avoid wastage of water, we must store it. Storage of water. Water is generally stored in tanks, pumps, water canals, etc. At home, we generally store water in overhead tanks and in small containers like pots, buckets, etc. Safe storage and handling of drinking water. We should always drink clean and pure water. We should keep the following things in mind to keep our water pure and clean. Always store water in clean containers. Keep stored water at a neat and clean place. Use containers with a lid. Never put your hands inside the drinking water. Use a long handled mug to take out water from the container. Boil water to kill the germs. Use only boiled water for drinking purposes as it is free from germs. Rainwater harvesting. In places where there is scarcity of water, rainwater harvesting is an excellent way of storing and saving rainwater for future use. The rainwater from the roof of the house is collected in a tank with the help of a pipe. A sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe to filter out the dirt. The sloping roof of the house allows water to drain off easily and collect in the tank. A portion at the bottom of the tank is left kacha so that a little water keeps seeping into the ground. This underground water can be used for various purposes. Wastage of water. Earth has abundance of water, but only a very small amount is fit for human consumption. So, we should not waste water. The following activities lead to the wastage of water. Use of drinking water in various activities such as washing clothes, cleaning cars, etc. Overdrawing of underground water. Excessive irrigation of crop fields. Large amount of water is polluted by dumping waste in it. Saving water. We can save water in the following ways. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Collect rainwater and reuse it for bathing, washing and cleaning. Use a bucket to give water to plants instead of using a pipe. Always turn off the tap after use. Get leaking pipelines repaired immediately.
Let's recap. We should always drink clean and pure water. The pure water should be stored in clean containers and at a clean place. We should save water as much as possible.